Heyo. What I've got here today is a Yale Superior Euro. It's a 7-pin 4-slider lock, and I'm going to try to pick it open. Start out with a big dimple pick that I've picked up online very cheaply. Kind of ground down a little bit around the corners and made a very serviceable pick. And I'm just applying kind of heavy tension and feeling for the binders. Something I find helps with a lot of dimple locks. Started doing it with multi-locks. And not this won't apply to every dimple lock, but when I set a pin, I'll kind of pulse on the tension a little bit, and it seems to just set the next pin on the shear really well and make the next binder really obvious. Now that kind of felt like a little bit of a false set, which usually would mean that the key pins are set, so might be able to get the sliders to cooperate now. Just sliding a 15,000th hybrid diamond in there. I can kind of start to feel the sliders out a little bit and work on them if I'm lucky. Something kind of happened there. Oh, and we're open. So lock is open. We're moving it around, and I'm gonna lock it back up just so nothing terrible happens. There's a lot going on in this core, so be real careful. First, let's get in position of gut here. What do we do here? Guess we'll do something like this. And alright. So now we'll bring on a different set of tools here. So, yeah, let's just move back a little, give us some room to work, and what we're going to do is try to gut this lock into my custom-made pinning tray, made for me by Bobby Keys, which I'll give you a good look at later. And I love it. This is the first time I've had the presence of mind to actually get it out and use it during a video. So first, let's try to pop this C-clip off. There we go. Just, oops. Just throw that out of the way. And now, I've not gutted this lock before, so I'm hoping this goes well. Gonna, I guess, oh, yeah, drop the sidebar here, and the 2 springs. Make sure this is all in frame. Okay, so now the follower can hold the drivers and the core, and the key will hold these sliders in as well. So we're going to take out and take a look at the 7 key pins. Let's move it a little bit here, get friendly. Alright, so here's 1, 2, oh, yeah, that was 3, and it dropped to 3. Oh, 4 and 5. And I can see what looks like some drill protection in this core. And that was actually 7. And there we go. Alright. Now, we've got 4 sliders to take out. So we'll remove the key, and they should just kind of fall out. Like the spring. And we'll come back for the springs. Well, hey, there's a spring. Can I try to pick that over there, maybe? Yeah. Boy, the slider's really stuck in there. Keep these together. This is kind of an unexpected setback here. Bear with me. There's a spring. Well, maybe we'll come back to that. I'm not sure what else I can show for that, but let's take a look at the driver pins, I guess. Ooh. One is a deep spool. Two is a shallow spool. Three's a standard. I have a feeling this lock's taking some WD-40 or something recently. It's just all gummy. Another standard. Ooh. Sure. These all look to be standard and of the same length. Okay, so there's actually 8 pins here. That's weird. And a few of them are hanging on to their springs. I don't think the 8th chamber has a spring. There's a look at what's going on there. And we can see the core here. Here's our little slider that won't come out. Seems to have a spring, but doesn't seem to be twisted. The finger seems to be in the right position. Springy. I don't know what's going on with that, but you can see some drill protection in the core here and here. And not the most challenging keyway in the world. So let's take a closer look at the pins as they are. Looks like I'm also missing a slider spring somewhere. I'll have to keep an eye out for that. But here are driver pins, nothing too complicated there. One kind of a spool or barrel pin and two. And then a couple of, or I should say 3 spools in 4, 6, and 7 key pins. Not really big enough to have much effect. Honestly, they all just kind of pick like that. So that's it for the Yale Superior, as it were. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.